The length of one side of a right angle triangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the length of the other side. If the longest side measures 6 centimeters, find correct to 2 decimal places the length of the shortest side. So we will let y be the longer side and x be the shortest side. What it means is that y is equal to twice the length of x plus 1, because the question says that the length of one side of the rectangle triangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the length of the other side. So if the other side is x, it means that 2 times x plus 1 will give you this other side. We know that x is the shortest side because definitely a side that is 1 centimeter more than twice the length of the other side is bigger. So this is the longer, and then x is going to be the shortest, and the longest side is going to be the 6 centimeters. So in a right angle triangle, we know this formula: a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. That is the side squared. The sum of the squares of the sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So the 6 is going to be the hypotenuse actually. So relating this with our formula, we are going to have y squared plus x squared is equal to 6 squared. But we know that y is equal to 2x plus 1. So we are going to represent y by 2x plus 1 to get 2x plus 1 all squared plus x squared is equal to 36. Squaring this side, 2x squared gives us 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 plus our x squared should give us 36. 4x squared plus x squared gives us 5x squared plus we have our 4x again. We bring this 36 to the left hand side, we get plus 1 minus 36 is equal to 0. So our quadratic equation now becomes 5x squared plus 4x minus 35. We will use a quadratic formula to solve this question. So I'm writing down the quadratic formula. From this, we can write out the constant of this, that a is equal to the first number in front of the x squared being 5. Then b is going to be the number in front of the x being 4. Then c is going to be the constant being minus 35. Substituting these values into the equation, x becomes equal to, what is b? Minus 4 plus or minus, what is b again? 4 squared minus 4 multiplying a, which is 5, multiplying c, which is minus 35, all over 2 multiplying a, which is 5, giving us 10 actually. So solving this, you're going to get minus 4 plus or minus. When you type all of this on your calculator, you're going to get 26.7581 to the 4 decimal places. I like to work in 4 decimal places to reduce the errors. Okay, all over 10. So you take the first value of x when the sign is minus. So you're going to get minus 4, then we choose minus 26.7581 all on 10. X is going to give us minus 30.7581 all on 10. So the first value of x is going to give us minus 3.0 0.0758. So this is the first value of x. That is when x is positive. Let's divide it with a line. Okay, so x becomes equal to -4. So we choose the sign to be now positive instead of negative. Then you still get 26.7581. That's the 4 decimal places, all on 10. So x is equal to 22.7581 all on 10. So x is going to give us 2.2758 to 4 decimal places. Now these are the values of x, but we know that the length of a side of a right angle triangle cannot be negative. So you write, since x cannot be negative, x is equal to 2.2758 centimeters. But let's not forget that the question says we should find correct to 2 decimal places the length of the shortest side. Okay, so now this is x giving us 2.2758, but we know also that y, which is the longer side, is equal to 2 times x plus 1, and then we know for x to be the shortest side, therefore x is equal to 2.28 centimeters. Then you put in bracket to 2 decimal places. Thank you. Subscribe for more. See you.